Have you ever stood in a queue at a bank branch, thinking, there has to be a better way to do this? Or felt frustrated by hidden fees and complex jargon? For decades, traditional high street banks were the only option. They offered security, a physical presence, and a full suite of services, from mortgages to business loans. But they also came with a lot of baggage, long processing times, limited in-person hours, and complex fee structures. Then came Monzo, a new kind of bank that exists entirely on your phone. It's part of a new wave of digital-first challenger banks. So, what are the key differences? First up, the app. Traditional bank apps often feel like an afterthought, a digital version of a decades-old system. Monzo, on the other hand, was built for your smartphone from the ground up. The design is clean, intuitive, and gives you instant control. You get real-time notifications for every single transaction, so you always know exactly what's happening in your account. Next, the fees. Traditional banks are notorious for charging for everything, from out-of-network ATM withdrawals to foreign transactions. Monzo's fee structure is far more transparent. For a standard account, foreign card payments are free, and they have clear, generous limits on things like international cash withdrawals. The third big difference is the features. Traditional banks offer a wide range of products, but Monzo's focus is on helping you manage your money daily. Features like pots let you set aside money for specific savings goals, the salary sorter automatically divides your paycheck, and the automatic spending categorization gives you a clear overview of your habits without any manual work. Finally, let's talk about customer service and security. While you can't walk into a Monzo branch, their customer support is available 24/7 through in-app chat. And in terms of security, Monzo is a fully licensed and regulated UK bank, meaning your money is protected up to £85,000 by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, the exact same protection you get with a traditional bank. So, while traditional banks offer a physical presence and a broad range of legacy services, Monzo wins on user experience, transparency, and a powerful suite of modern money management tools. It's a fundamental shift from banking as a chore to banking as a seamless, integrated part of your life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.